Hi, this is just a very short video to show you how to change the batteries in your Tado Smart TRV. Mine has come up with a low battery warning recently, so I thought it was time to give it a change. So very simply, to take it off, take hold of the top section, put some pressure on the bottom section, and you just want to slowly turn it that way, so anti-clockwise. There we are. And then you can just pull it off, and there you've got access to the underneath where we can change the batteries. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, and now to change the batteries. So you take your TRV, turn it upside down. There's a little catch here, so this is the metal catch. You want to bring it towards yourself, so put the thumbs on there and it just pings open. Open it out, remove the old batteries. Now you're looking at two AA batteries. There are Amazon links on the description to show you which ones you need to get. Just put AA batteries. Take it, and you want your positive like that, your negative like that. It is shown on the tops there, positive and negative. Then you want to put them down and bring it back over and push it on and then push it back. There we are, done. And you're done. Now we've changed the batteries in your TRV, we will now reattach it and reassemble it back onto the radiator. It's just a little, oops, there we go, a little click as you turn it back on. So it's got a little mark there, a little notch there, so you just want to drop it onto there. Again, put some pressure onto the base, otherwise it will turn this piece as well, and then slowly turn it clockwise. Done. And that's it. It is as simple as that. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please click a like. If you want to see more, click subscribe. And until next time, goodbye.